and Puppets a la carte friends. Welcome to a short YouTube video on how you can play outdoors in nature with puppets. So this kind of crossover between my puppet work and my Tinker Garden work. Tinker Garden is play-based learning in nature, and I'm a leader with Tinker Garden. You can find more about those classes at tinkergarden.com. And I'm also a puppeteer, the creative director and founder of Puppets a la carte, where I teach all kinds of people the joys of puppetry through a hands-on approach. So because on my last video I read you a book called Mama Built a Little Nest, today we're going to be doing some things with nests and birds. So the first thing I wanted to do was show you a nest that I have here, right here at my home. And that's the beautiful thing about nature. It seems to come up everywhere. So even if you can't get all the way to your local park or somewhere you usually go, you can look around your neighborhood for nature. So I'm going to show you a nest that we have right here at my house. It's so cool. Come on. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Here's my front yard. That's where I was sitting. Oh, hello. My kids are here to join me. That's Juliana.
Hello.
And Nico. Hey, Nico, you want to show me where the nest is that we have? All right, let's go see. Okay. Got to be careful on ladders, right? Make sure you have permission to go up there. And way up there is a nest. Ooh, Nico, can I go up there for a minute so that I can show it better? Okay, now, Juliana, can you tell us, was that nest there this morning?
No.
Tell us how that nest got there.
That nest is from a couple years ago when birds would come and make their nest here. And when they left, their nest was still here, so we took it down, and now we have it, and we put it up again to show you guys.
So now we're going to bring it down. First we'll see, this is where they built it though, right up here in the rafters. And then the birds were in there. Of course there haven't been birds in there for a long time, but when you look carefully around your house you find stuff. So I would never take this down if it were being used, but like Juliana told you, this nest is a few years old. So let's take a look at it. What do you see, Nico?
It seems like an egg was right there and it kind of like dug in.
It does. There's a nice indent there. And
Can I say something?
yeah, come down here, Juliana. Tell us what you see.
It's in a kind of odd shape where it's leaning that way, and then it's also larger on this side and smaller on this side, kind of like a cone.
And also it's amazing that they didn't use mud to stick it all together.
Those are great observations. What did they use to stick it together?
Their weaving skills.
Yeah. Okay. Great job. All right. We're learning about birds, and I have wanted to do this for a long time because, as you know, I'm a puppeteer. So I have a challenge for you, Nico, and your Juliana.
Yes, I love challenges.
All right. I want you to look around our yard. You can go in the backyard, you can go in the front yard, and look.
house?
No,
in our
outside,
yard.
because we're going to do all this in nature. That's what makes it really special. Nature puppets, just a minute. So you're going to go around and you're going to look for nature treasures. Those are things from nature that have fallen from the tree or are lying loose. Now we try never to pick things that are still living.
Like the grass.
Right. Now, I will make a few exceptions for you since this is our house and our property. If you see
A weed.
some weeds, which are also plants, but they come back very quickly and we have plenty of them, then you can ask me and I'll let you pick something like that. But here's your challenge. You are going to make a bird. And we're not using glue or anything. We're going to find an object.
Bird nest? Like
A
now we
bird.
can make a bird and I can make a nest.
That's going to be the second part of our activity. That's a great idea. But you know what? Maybe before you get started, I'm going to go find an example, okay? I'll be right
both of
back.
us are gonna make a bird?
Yep. Okay, so I just ran really quick and found one leaf and one stick. And depending on how old you are or what your creative ideas are, this in itself could be a bird. Look how it flaps. Because this is what puppetry is. It brings inanimate objects to life. So movement brings things to life. Or you might decide, I think that's going to be the head. I'm going to stick it on here. And now, it's calling. So it comes to life through movement and through sound. And looks like it's just standing. Maybe it's a water bird. Or maybe you want to add something and make some wings. So you guys are going to go and look for something. And I'll follow you a little with the camera, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about what we found, okay?
So guys, I'm going to use this as the body.
Myself a basket. I'm looking for a sharp rock. No. Ow.
This is my mommy bird. It has its wings. And this is the baby, and I'm going to make a nest.
Okay, we'll see you back up there.
Found a snail.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, wow.
And there's a mini snail next to it.
Aw, see, there's nature all around us. Nico, we found a snail.
So I'm doing a bird's nest right now, so the birds can sit in it.
Juliana, you want to tell me about what materials you found? What your ideas are?
Sticks. I decided to use this one because it's the sturdiest. And then I picked a couple leaves with your permission. I have a sharp rock and a kumquat mandarin quat thingy.
Nico, where's your bird?
Oh, so this is the baby bird, and she's giving it food.
Oh no, I know what I dropped.
Aww. So point to the mommy and show me her wings. And then where's the baby?
The baby's right here.
Aww. Oh, hi Cash. You here too? Yeah, you having fun. That's good.
No, it's breaking. This is a very naughty stick.
So problem solve. Figure out a way to make it work.
I know. Come over here. Put it down on the stepping stone. Ah, it squirted me. I'm okay. I will live. The other way. Okay. Here's my bird.
Cute.
No, that's amazing. Look what I caught.
Wow.
Kind of easy.
Yeah. First, obviously, we gathered our materials. Then we made some puppets. And now it's time to play with the puppets. And playing with a puppet is simply bringing it to life, right? So the nature can be your stage. Any spot you find. Or like Nico built a little nest, so the nest can be part of his stage. So in a minute, we're going to animate or bring to life our puppets. And then we'll play with them. And that will be our storytelling. Once upon a time, there was a mommy bird. Peek! Peek! She was trying to call to her chicks. Peek! 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 She strutted around nervously. Peek! 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 Her claws were painted blue. You like it? She called to her little ones. Finally, one little one came. Woo! Peek, 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 peek. Quack. Peek, 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 peek. Quack. The two of them decided to do a dance together. Ooh, my head fell down. Ooh, I have an interesting head. As they were playing, they heard a scritching, scratching, scritching, scratching. And suddenly, another friend came into view. It was trembling. It was shaking. It was a cockroach.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Are you alright?
I'm a cockroach and I need a friend.
Oh, I have the perfect person for you. I have a friend who needs another friend. Do you want to meet her?
Yes, please.
Friend who needs another friend.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
No. I was told you're here to audition for the part of my friend.
Yes, but you know what, friend?
Yes?
You could be a real friend to me by finding me somewhere dark and cool. It's way too sunny and way too hot for me out here.
Come with me.
Okay.
Wait, Mama.
Hello, Mr. Bird.
Hello.
I was wondering, do you know where I could find a deep, dark burrow for my friend Cockroach?
Yep. I have just the perfect thing for you.
Oh, Butterfly, I don't know. This could be scary. Don't worry. I've got you. You'll be fine. And so Butterfly picked up Cockroach and they followed Bird. Oh, Bird, how much longer is this?
About like 2 more minutes.
Finally, they arrived. Oh, wow, this place is deep and dark and scary. Oh, it's perfect. And Cockroach climbed in. Thank you, Butterfly. You will again soon. And thank you, Mr. Bird, for showing us this nice place.
Bird, do you want to tell Cockroach anything about the hole?
Me? Oh, yeah. So I made it just by hand. It took me a while, but I figured someone would like it.
Do you want to cover Cockroach with a little bit of dirt?
Goodbye, Cockroach. It was nice meeting you. Ah, that's nice. Oh, yeah. Oh.
And there you have it, some very simple storytelling with your nature puppets with Nicole Savannah, Nico. Hope you have fun making your own puppets. Bye.